How to fix ABN AMRO app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your credentials, if your credentials are correct or not. Once you do that, you can try to log in. If you are still not able to log in, what you can do is launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name ABN AMRO and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, scroll down. Now find the app ABN AMRO, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're gonna get the pop-up. Click on Delete app for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app ABN AMRO. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix ABN AMRO app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.